Mastering Data Analysis in 2025. Your ultimate guide. Welcome to the channel. We're diving into data analysis today, specifically how to become a data analyst in 2025. The world is hungry for people who can interpret data, and that's only growing. This is the perfect time to develop these skills. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know, step by step. By the end, you'll have a clear roadmap to becoming a data analyst. Let's start with the big picture. Why is data analysis so important? We're living in a world overflowing with data. Every day, businesses generate massive amounts of information, but raw data by itself, it's pretty useless. That's where data analysts come in. They sift through raw data to find hidden patterns and insights. This is crucial across industries like healthcare, finance, tech, and marketing. Data analysis helps these industries optimize strategies and make better decisions. The demand for skilled data analysts is skyrocketing. If you're looking for a high-demand, intellectually stimulating career with growth potential, data analysis is it. What does it take to become a data analyst? Let's talk education. Data analysis is open to people from diverse educational backgrounds. A bachelor's degree in fields like mathematics, statistics, computer science, or economics can provide a strong base. Look for courses or specializations in data analysis, data mining, or machine learning. There are also boot camps and online courses designed to teach practical skills quickly. Industry-recognized certifications like the Microsoft Certified Azure Data Scientist Associate or the Google Data Analyst Professional Certificate can bolster your credibility. These show you've validated your skills and knowledge in the field. Now, let's get into the skills and tools you need to master as a data analyst. First up, statistical analysis. You need to be comfortable with concepts like probability, distributions, hypothesis testing, and regression analysis. Next, programming languages like Python and RPython, with libraries like Pandas and scikit-learn, is great for data manipulation and machine learning, while R excels in statistical analysis and data visualization. Data visualization tools like Tableau, Power BI, and Excel are crucial for presenting your findings. Lastly, SQL is essential for extracting, filtering, and manipulating data from databases. Mastering these tools will set you up for success. Don't worry, it's not as intimidating as it sounds. You've got the knowledge and tools, now it's time to put it into practice. The best way to gain experience? Projects. Build a portfolio that showcases your skills and problem-solving abilities. Websites like Kaggle and Google Dataset Search offer free datasets to hone your skills. Analyze social media trends, predict stock prices, or explore data related to your hobbies. Internships are another great way to gain hands-on experience and build your network. Many companies offer data analysis internships that provide invaluable exposure to the industry. Apply your skills to real-world scenarios and demonstrate your ability to extract meaningful insights from data. You've put in the work, got the skills, and built an impressive portfolio. Now it's time to land that dream data analyst job. First, your resume. Highlight your skills, experience, and projects clearly. Use relevant keywords and tailor your resume to each job description. Networking is invaluable. Attend industry events, connect on LinkedIn, and reach out for informational interviews. Practice answering common interview questions and be prepared to walk through your projects. Showcase your passion for data and problem solving. The job search can be a marathon, not a sprint. Stay persistent, keep learning, networking, and applying. That's it. You've got all the basics covered. Becoming a data analyst is a journey that starts with a single step. Explore the resources we talked about, pick a skill to focus on, and start practicing. The world of data is constantly evolving, so embrace the learning process. If you found this video helpful, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Let me know in the comments what data analysis projects you're excited to tackle. See you in the next one.